Let's get a check of our forecast now. Lots to keep an eye on. We've got Chief Meteorologist Dave Nussbaum. Dave.
That's right here. The first part of this is the cold. It's here and it's going to get bitter cold tonight. Well, we have a clear sky downtown looking pretty from our BJCC camera. Temperatures 39 degrees, certainly getting the 40s today for many of you, but with a little bit of a wind, it does feel like it's 32 degrees outside right now. And looking ahead throughout the rest of the evening, temperatures falling to the 20s down into the teens when you wake up tomorrow morning. But with that wind, we'll feel there like the teens as well, too. So we do need to be prepared for some dangerous wind chill tomorrow morning. Definitely bundle up those kids to head out the door. So what are we looking at? Our winter storm with that ice and snow accumulation for Friday, beginning roughly midnight Friday through midnight Saturday. Potential exists there for 2 to 5 inches of snow, and expecting travel issues all day long with this one. The storm right now is developing here back across the Baja California area. Big trough of low pressure bringing some strong winds, and that's what's allowing all those fires to really spread in the Los Angeles area. This low is going to track its way toward Dallas and head off to the north, and at the same time we're going to watch another surface low develop here off the coast of Texas. Just starting to see that happening right now near Brownsville, South Padre Island area. That low eventually will work its way toward Louisiana and right along the coastline, and as it does so, it's going to help bring us moisture, and with temperatures below freezing, we'll get that winter mess here with this winter storm. May start off as a mix initially and then eventually go to some snow, and then looks like may go to rain before it all ends as we head throughout Friday night into Saturday. So breaking it down for you, we've issued that weather alert for Thursday night through Friday night. We are talking sleet and ice accumulations, snow accumulations as well, with cold temperatures, and yes, travel issues are going to be a big problem for us here across the area. A winter storm watch has been issued for much of central Alabama here, as well as all of North Alabama, indicating we're going to have difficult travel. Weather Service issues this if we're expecting to see snow totals about 1 to 2 inches out there, along with some sleet, and indeed I am expecting that to happen across the area. So the greatest coverage of snow will be here from North Alabama, roughly from Gadsden, Jasper, Coleman, Hamilton northward. South of there, this lighter shade here of color, we're still looking at some issues, but we'll have more ice and snow mixed together before changing to rain. And the farther south you go, I'm expecting more rain. How much are we talking about here? Well, you can see to the north, 2 to 5 inches of snow here, Huntsville area. That seems to be where we're going to see mostly snow with this and not changing over to rain. You get south of the 278 corridor here, Gadsden, Coleman, and Hamilton, all the way down to about I-20. 1 to 2 inches of rain or snow will be possible across the area here. And then south of that, maybe a dusting to half an inch and a half, depending on exactly how much that warm air builds its way into the area. So the travel issues are expected for much of the state. Not a good day to be traveling at all on Friday. So here's how it's going to play out. We'll start 11 p.m. Thursday, starting to see some rain, maybe a little mix out there late Thursday night. Not all of this hitting the ground initially, but it's going to help to pull down colder air aloft, which will help to eventually get this to move all the way to more of an icing issue. This is 1 o'clock in the morning on Friday. Temperatures near freezing or just below, but by 5 a.m. we are talking about that mix working its way through much of central Alabama here. A little more rain potentially to the south, but nonetheless, though, we're going to be starting to see things get going for that commute on Friday. Kind of changing to a mix to some snow across much of central Alabama through 7 a.m. And as we head on into 9 o'clock, still looking at more of the same. I-20 kind of the corridor there, but notice rain coming back into play from lunchtime through the afternoon. Temperatures just getting above freezing by a little bit here, so that may actually help us out a little bit, but it looks like it should stay mostly snow to the north. But then the roads will likely refreeze Friday night into Saturday as temperatures continue to drop out there with some lingering clouds and some snow flurries when you wake up on Saturday. So looking ahead here, we are talking bitter cold tonight, 19, 44 tomorrow with clouds increasing. Our weather alert now for Friday with that winter storm coming in, and then flurries Saturday, and looks like it stays chilly for much of next week as well.